Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what are the best eSIM providers when you want to travel to Switzerland and what I think is the best way how you can get data in Switzerland. So the first one is MyMobile. You can have a link with the discount and everything down below in the description. And first, let's check here the coverage. So when I come here to coverage with MyMobile, and I'm going to come right here and I'm going to have the Luxembourg and then the Switzerland, you see that most of the Switzerland, if not all, is covered with the coverage from MyMobile, and that's something really good. The second thing that you want to do is to check out if your phone is eSIM compatible. So here I would click help, eSIM compatible phones, and check if you're going to find your phone here. If you do, then we can set up the process of actually purchasing the plan. So I'm going to Switzerland right here. Okay. And you can choose between the free, 5, 10 gigabytes, 20 gigabytes, or even unlimited data. So let's say I'm going to have 30 days. And let's say I'm going to be for 15 days in Switzerland. And I want to have 10 gigabytes of data. And you see right here that what you have to do is just click here, activate now. It depends how much data I want. And automatically you're going to get, with the link down below in the description, discount from me, 10%. And here you're going to have the starting date. And also the days, how we're going to be there, how long you want to stay in Switzerland. And then you will review and pay. What happens next is that you're going to get a QR code to your email. All you have to do is to activate the QR code by scanning it. And you will activate then the SIM card. I made also a full guide on how you can activate the eSIM with MyMobile. And it's super simple, nothing difficult. You're going to have video in the description. And then the next step is that you can also use Airalo. Comparing to how MyMobile, it's similar company. So here I'm going to also write Switzerland. Right here, Switzerland. And here you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 20 gigabytes. And as you can see here, 10 gigabytes cost $24. Here, let's say 30 days is $21.60. So even the pricing is similar, and MyMobile is a little bit cheaper comparing to Airalo. And also the process for Airalo is the same. So with the Airalo, you're going to have the QR code that you have to scan and activate. But Airalo also has an app that you can use. So they are both really good, and I both recommend them. When I also compare the networks, this is like the South Mobile Orange. Okay, and let's see here. South and Sunrise. So even MyMobile got more providers comparing to the Airalo. And that's like a right win there for MyMobile. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions guys, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.